the way to Chicago with these crazy women. Right here. Yeah.
Hello.
Are you vlogging? Yeah.
Chicago, here we come.
I'm vlogging. So we'll see how this goes. We got how many hours? We got 6 hours.
Huh?
We don't know yet.
It's like 5.5 hours.
We have 5.5 hours of driving. So I'm in the back seat.
We'll call you later. Alligator.
Crocodile. Stay tuned for the full video. What?
Why I'm smiling under this mask? I'm smiling. Here, y'all know.
Alright, you guys, so we made it to Chicago. So beautiful. I do miss my babe. So weird being here without him. I miss you, baby. I didn't think I would miss you this much, and I just got here. Just know that I love you. I love you, Aiden. I love you, Nolan. I miss you guys. But yeah, let me show you this view. Stay tuned. Look at this view here, guys. Super nice, right? Super nice view of Chicago. This is my first time here without my husband and my kids. Well, my kids never been to Chicago, but me and my husband come plenty of times out of the year. So this is my first time here without him, and I miss him. It's so beautiful. Water is so beautiful. I'm trying to zoom in for you guys to see. It's not really, I can't get it focused like I want to, but yeah, you guys, stay tuned with the video. Thank you for watching. Alright, you guys, so we are at 360 Tilt currently right now. What's that?
I don't know why I'm smiling this mask.
It's so warm in here.
Like Margaret.
You don't even need a jacket in here. It's nice.
I got a jean jacket for the fall.
You guys, 360 Chicago. Definitely a recommend. Look at the beautiful this place is, you guys. Beautiful. It's kind of overwhelming, you guys. Look how high we are from the ground.
Oh, y'all remember?
Got people over here doing tilt, you guys. They try to have me do it, but I'm too scared.
Oh man, we gotta get a line. Is this the bar?
So this is just for tilt.
This is just tilt. We came the wrong way. Oh, girl, bless you.
Uh-oh. They about to do it. Come on, Auntie, let's do it.
Oh, I'm not doing it.
Oh my God! I am freaking out. Oh my God, I'm freaking out just watching.
Oh, they can see all the way down. Is your stomach dropping?
Guys. Guys, I hate the quality of my camera right now.
I couldn't do it.
Guys,
I cannot
I'm
do
zoomed in and it's crazy. Are they going any farther or what?
I think it goes further. Oh, there's going some more. That might be it, but I need y'all video on my phone. Oh, God.
Guys, they tilting over the
They
city.
tilted so they can see all of this.
No.
Oh, my.
I
It was like, oh, I know who Mama's daughter is.
I know, right? You guys, so 360 Chicago is a must. You guys must come down here. You literally go all the way up to the top of this building and can see the whole city. You know what I mean? This is amazing, okay? This is amazing. Chicago, yeah, it's live. Make sure you come to 360 whenever you come to Chicago.
So we can eat our
Alright, you guys, so we are by the Beam in Chicago. This is like the main place you guys need to come see whenever you're here. Such a beautiful place. I have my auntie here. Say hi. Hi. Oh, cut off. It's still recording.
Hello.
I just got focus on you guys. There you go. Y'all like the Beam? Y'all having a good time?
Yeah. We love Chicago.
Yes. So, yes, you guys. So, and it's really nice outside. So you have everyone out here. It's really nice. Make sure you guys come out, check it out. All right, y'all. Right now, we also waiting to eat at Wildberry, which is another famous place. Oh my gosh, you guys should see the line right now. It's pretty crazy. So we're heading there next. We're just waiting in line. We have like an hour wait. So, yeah. All right, you guys. So this is Wildberry pancakes. All right, you guys. So we got the food. Where's the vegan and the vegan hat?
You got a strawberry on the toast, ma'am?
Oh, yes, I do. Oh, look at there. So she got the strawberry almond. Yep. Thank you. I got the brisket hash. Cinnamon rolls? Yes, thank you. And I got cinnamon rolls.
We're just missing your side of bacon.
Yeah.
Everything else good?
Yeah, everything looks good. And then she also got the steak. That looks so good.
That looks so
Alright, you guys, let's see y'all try it.
with jalapenos. Andy's over there.
Let's see you try it.
This fellowship and thank you for this time together and divine sickness, disease, and viruses. In Jesus' name, amen.
So I wonder what's that patty?
It's Patty. Look like it's Patty.
Uh-oh, let's see. Is it good? What you think? It's good, yeah. So if you guys are vegan, this is what you should get. It's called the vegan hash. It has mushrooms, jalapenos, hashed potatoes, and then some type of vegan sausage with beans and stuff, which is nice. So I have to have my meat, y'all. So I got the breakfast hash. It don't look all that appealing, but it is so good. So this is delicious. Oh yeah, we ain't getting no type of boomerangs or nothing. I don't even know where is my phone. Oh, that looks good. Your picture made me just say. Oh yeah, and this also have gravy in it, y'all. So good. So you guys, go to Wildberry in Chicago. I'm gonna tell y'all all the places to go whenever I travel. Highly recommend this place. Alright, yeah, I gotta eat. After I get done eating, we'll vlog the rest. Peace. Guys, we are going to my favorite store, Zara, doing a little shopping. Alright. I think so. Alright, you guys, we are finally back from shopping. We went to Zara's favorite place. So I'll show you guys what I got. And hold on, back up, show my good. So I got this shirt here. Nice silk shirt. I was trying to find the pants to go with them, but I really couldn't. So this was $40. lot of money. I also got this one, all white. You got your little cleavage showing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Another 40. Got my husband something, which I probably shouldn't. I got him the collarless. He loved the collarless shirt. Oops. Hold on. Collarless shirt, so that's what he wanted. They had another blue silk shirt that he wanted, but they just didn't have his size. And then I got this jacket. This was probably the most expensive thing. It's $1,000. I'm joking. It was a $90.
It's not ready.
Auntie, don't mess up my video.
I'm about to
This is so nice, you guys.
Catch me what?
So
To put some
sharp.
money for the
So, but yeah.
put it on your card.
Anyways, we're about to get some rest before we go on the boat. And yeah.
What ride? To
Are y'all excited or what?
I'm excited.
You're excited?
I'm
yes,
excited.
yes, you guys. Oh my God, we gotta get music up there. We're super excited.
Super duper.
Yeah, Chicago. Yes.
Yes.
Look how dope this is, you guys.
Sometimes you get some beautiful snips of the truck, but I will tell you, there's more and more people. He saw buildings going up. He took these folks to court using his own money, got them to remove the buildings, and so instead of warehouses, factories, and port facilities, we've got 27 miles of public beaches.
That's a pretty bag.
Again for watching my video, Kicking It with the Kimberlins. Today is our last day in Chicago, and we're actually getting ready to head home. Yesterday I didn't finish recording the video because we were too wasted, but we did end up doing dinner on the rooftop, which was really nice. I was dressed all cute, you guys. I wore my Zara outfit that I got. It was so cute. I didn't take any pictures. I'm so upset. But you guys, take a look at the view. Take a look at the view here. It's super bright. We gotta get out the sun. But, yeah, you guys, thank you for watching this video again. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're gonna stay anywhere in Chicago, I would definitely recommend because you're literally buying everything. You're buying all the shopping malls, restaurants, you're by all the good food places, and then you're by all the boat rides. Best place to be in Chicago. You're by all the buildings and everything, and you have a beautiful view. So thank you guys for watching Kicking with the Kimberlins. Again, this is your girl India. Make sure you comment below on the best places to go in Chicago if you have been yourself, or if you want to go, let me know that you want to go. And I think you guys will really enjoy it. I enjoyed my time here. But yeah, you guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I look forward to doing more trips for you guys and recommendations for you guys to go. And yeah, Chicago is lit.